Welcome to another tech review video. I bought my last DSLR camera in 2010. So as you can imagine, it was pretty outdated and I was looking for a new one. I was looking for a mirrorless camera which can do both video recording in 4K as well as good still photography. And then Nikon introduced this. This is Nikon's first mid-size sensor, or also known as APS-C sensor mirrorless camera. And you are watching comprehensive review of Nikon Z50. Right now this box is empty because I'm using the same camera to shoot. But let's see what comes inside the box. And let's start with some basic specs. This has an APS-C CMOS sensor with resolution of 20.9 megapixels. It can record 4K up to 30 frames per second and Full HD up to 120 frames per second. That means 4 times slow motion. Maximum it can do 11 frames per second while capturing still images. And it has 209 focus points. It comes with this 16 to 50mm kit lens and I got the whole package for $900. We are going to test 5 different categories: video quality, audio quality, autofocus, still image quality and design. And we'll see how good this camera performs in each of them. Out of these, first 3 categories are very important for making videos or vlogging. And lastly, I will also show you what other features and quirks this camera has. Let's start with video quality. Now I'm recording in 4K at 30 frames per second. The image looks sharp and colors are vivid. I did not do any color correction, and the video you are looking at right now is straight out of the camera. I actually used this camera for about a month now and did record in different scenarios. The low light performance is also very good and very little noise can be seen. The dynamic range is also pretty good. Unfortunately, it does not go up to 60 frames per second in 4K. Therefore, if you want to record a slow motion shots, you have to drop down the resolution to Full HD. But overall, video quality is really good, and especially for this price point. Here are some sample videos in different scenarios. Next, it's sound quality. For audio, I always use this Rode external microphone. So I never use camera's internal microphone. But today it's a windy day and it's perfect opportunity to test camera's internal microphone. So let me take off that external microphone. And now with this off, how does it sound? Can you feel the difference? It's very windy, so I'm hoping it will have a lot of wind noise. And because of this dead cat, usually with this microphone we don't get that wind noise. Let me play the both audio side by side. Right now what you are hearing is from camera's internal microphone, and now the external microphone is back. So right now what you are hearing is from Rode external microphone. I would say camera microphone is also not that bad, but definitely it can't compete with external microphone. Next is autofocus. Most important thing for recording video is autofocus. Your camera should be able to change focus quickly and lock the focus on some target although the target is moving. Something like when she's walking towards the camera is still keeping her in the focus at all the time. This camera has eye detection, which works pretty well and hence very easy to lock the focus on human targets. And if I move the camera suddenly like this and force it to change the focus, it does a good job, doesn't it? Now next is image quality. As I said, due to eye detection, it's easy to focus on human objects. The dynamic range is good and you can see the details in this area as well. Now let's do some photo shoot, shall we? I like how colors are coming out. Yes, one important thing is no color correction is done in this case as well. Nothing is changed in post. All pictures are shot in automatic mode. I took some birds picture as well and I love the final product. By the way, whenever you are seeing any bird pictures, those pictures were taken using this 50 to 250 mm telephoto lens. There is an option to buy the camera along with this lens as well, but the price will increase a little bit. I have a separate review video about this lens. Please check that video first and then decide if you want this lens or not. I will put the link in the description box below. Now finally, let's see some new design aspects which make this camera much easier to work with. First is the flip down screen. This is a must for vlogging or composing your frame for self shooting. But the bad part I would say is it flips downwards. So it interferes when you have a tripod on. And most of the time you don't end up using it. It should have flipped on the side. If anyone from Nikon is watching, please take some notes. Still, the tilting screen is helpful for shooting something while holding the camera far above your head or far down. Next thing is, it has mini HDMI and mic adapter on the side. This is very useful when I attach an external microphone or external screen. It does come with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Using this SnapBridge app, you can transfer the pictures to your smart device easily. Although I would say process of connecting to smart device can be made easier. The back screen is touchscreen and I must say the sensitivity is awesome. It's not like GoPro where you have to touch 3 times and then it will work 1 time. And one more reason for me to buy this guy is my last DSLR was Nikon, so I already have a couple of Nikon lenses. And if you buy this small adapter, you can mount all the Nikon DSLR lenses to this camera as well. But be careful, all the lenses are not compatible in this way. Only few lenses work like that. Currently this camera comes for $900 with one kit lens, which is this 60 to 50 mm collapsible lens. Well, that's it for this video. In short, the new Nikon Z50 is one of the best choice if you are looking for a camera which can do both recording in 4K and as well as good still photography, and which comes under $1,000. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.